Welcome to the MyPlaceForParts.com garage, presented in partnership with Shop Owner. And now here's your host, Doug Kaufman.
An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Though Ben Franklin was referring to fire safety when he said it, his wisdom still applies today. Imagine your customer heading out for a family vacation with mom, the kids, and every essential need to have a wonderful time creating family memories crammed inside. Now, picture dad standing next to the car, hood up, engine silent, mom giving him the look. "We just had the car in for an oil change. Why didn't your guy tell us that something was wrong?" Did you miss an opportunity to put out a fire before it started? Here are 5 ways you can improve the effectiveness of selling preventive maintenance and help your customers avoid those uncomfortable roadside conversations. Digital vehicle inspections have been a game changer in the service industry. An inspection with pictures and annotations can show your customer exactly what your technician is seeing. You should treat your inspection process like any other fundamental process, one that needs to be trained, monitored for effectiveness, and always seeking to improve efficiency and add value. Visual aids. Using a color-coded brake pad thickness gauge or fluid comparison charts in photos or live video can help the customer make more informed decisions. Using objective and measurable data gives both the advisor and customer solid ground to base their recommendations. The walkaround. Add a walkaround inspection every time you bring in a vehicle. A walkaround inspection with your customer can be especially impactful because you can look at the car together and hear directly from the customer any concerns they have. You can gain additional insight about how the vehicle will be used in the coming months, and with that information, the service advisor can set up a plan to ensure the vehicle is in peak running condition based on the customer's driving habits. Ask for the sale. Yes, it seems simple, but asking for the sale is one of the most important parts of the sales process, and it's often overlooked. No estimate, no request to have the shop perform the required work, just dead air on the phone line or in the lobby. In most cases, the only question the customer will ask is, "When can I get my car?" You're the professional. Consider your shop to be the expert. Your customers come to you because you are a professional, and they trust you to take care of their automotive needs. By reviewing and putting these simple tips into practice, you and your customers will benefit. I'm Doug Kaufman. Thanks for watching.